Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about how to backup your information in Messenger app. For that, open your Messenger app available on your devices and click on three button located on the left side of your screen and go to settings menu. After going on setting menu, scroll down to bottom section and go to see more option here. After that, your account center appears on your screen. Now click on your information and permission option. Now you can see download option here. Click on it. On next screen, you can download or transfer information. Tap on download. Select the type of information you want to download. I'm going to click on first option. Now you get the option of downloading it to your device or transferring to any destination you want. I'm going to backup on my device. Now choose the date of your information. Choose a delivery method, especially it is sent through our email address, so I'm going to enter my email. Set the format as well as media quality of your choice and click on create files option. You can see that your information now is being downloaded on your device. You can easily find your downloaded information through your email, so check your email for that. That's it for this video. Hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a like and share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for upcoming video tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.